water kettle is designed to heat water quickly and efficiently for coffee and tea. Its powerful heating element is safely tucked away in the bottom of the kettle. Its easily readable water indicator on the side helps avoid wasting water and energy. The cordless kettle can be freely positioned on its 360-degree base. The manual power switch with LED indicator and the steam sensor for automatic shut-off add to its safety. The mesh screen at the spout captures any sediment while pouring. Remember, never boil more water than you actually use. Enjoy.